Creating an Upwork account is simple. Follow these steps. Visit Upwork. Go to the official Upwork website and click Sign Up. Choose your account type. Select, I'm a freelancer, looking for work. Sign up. You can register using your email address or an available social login option. Enter your information, add your name, location, and other required details. Create your freelancer profile. Add a professional photo, title, overview, skills, and work experience. Add your skills. Select the services you want to offer, such as SEO, content writing, graphic design, or web development. Add your experience and portfolio. Show examples of your previous work if you have them. Set your hourly rate. Choose a reasonable starting rate based on your skills and experience. Complete your profile. Review your information and submit it for Upwork's review/approval if required. Start looking for jobs. Once your account is ready, search for suitable projects and submit customized proposals. Tip: if you're a complete beginner, focus on 1 or 2 skills, create a strong profile, and prepare a few portfolio samples before applying for jobs.